Hi guys, my name is Angel Sanchez, and today I'll be talking about dining at Rider University. At Rider University, we have two main dining options, Daly's Dining Hall and Cranberries. At Daly's Dining Hall, one just swipes their student ID card and then they have unlimited access to whatever they want. This includes things such as all-day breakfast, burgers, and a salad bar. We also have a teach-in kitchen so you can make your own food, which is really great. I make my own smoothies. For those with dietitian needs, we do have a G8 station which lacks the 8 essential allergens, and we also have a dietitian on call. So if you want to stay healthy, we can set up an appointment with that and they can help you. In addition to that, we do have a Starbucks on campus. Also, our second main dining option is Cranberries. So Cranberries is kind of pick and choose whatever you'd like to eat. We have the sushi station, we have the noodle bowl station, we have a burrito bowl station, we have Wendy's, we have Jersey Mike's Virtual, and we also have our pub on campus. In addition to all of this, we also have Swaggart Express. So this is one of our meal options in Swaggart Hall. It's really nice. It's a quick and go. You can grab things in between classes, which is really great. Most of the time, you can use your meal exchange for this. So meal exchange, you would use a meal for that time period, and you could use it at Swaggart Express, Cranberries, or just a swipe at Dailies. We also have Bronc Bucks, which are included with your meal plan. So Bronc Bucks are virtual money that you can spend on like a muffin at Swaggart Express or a burrito bowl. My favorite place to eat on campus is Jersey Mike's in Cranberries, and one of my favorite things about the dining is that you are very flexible and you can eat whatever you want.